Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of millionaire success habits. Habits that have been the cornerstone of many a fortune and the downfall of those who ignored them. In the journey to financial success, there's more than just luck or inheritance at play. The consistent patterns we repeat daily, our habits, have a profound impact on our financial future. We'll be delving into 10 key habits that millionaires swear by. These aren't just habits for the rich and famous, but for anyone who dreams of financial independence. So whether you're just starting out on your financial journey, or you've been on the path for a while, these habits can be your guiding light. Ready to discover these habits? Let's dive in. Habit 1. Setting clear financial goals. This is the cornerstone of your journey to financial success. It's not enough to simply desire wealth. You must define what wealth means to you. Do you envision owning a sprawling mansion? Or perhaps financial independence is your ultimate goal? Whatever it is, make it specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. In other words, make it a SMART goal. Picture this: you're on a voyage, but without a destination in mind. You're drifting aimlessly at the mercy of the waves and wind. That's exactly what it's like trying to accumulate wealth without clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals gives you direction. It provides you with a roadmap and a clear path to follow. It tells you exactly where you need to go and how to get there. Each goal you set and meet brings you one step closer to your ultimate financial success. Habit 2. Creating a daily to-do list. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal about a to-do list? Well, the magic lies in the planning. By outlining your day-to-day tasks, you give structure to your ambitions and bring clarity to your path. It's like having a roadmap to success, where each task is a milestone you need to cross. Think of it this way: every successful venture starts with a plan, and your financial success is no different. Time management plays a critical role here. It's about making the most of your 24 hours, prioritizing tasks that align with your financial goals over those that don't. Remember, each item on your list is a stepping stone towards your larger goal. No task is too small or insignificant when it contributes to your grand vision. So seize the day, plan ahead, and watch your productivity soar. Habit 3. Read and learn daily. The road to financial success is paved with continuous learning. The wealthy understand that the more knowledge they possess, the more equipped they are to make sound financial decisions. They dedicate time each day to read and learn, particularly about financial matters. Reading financial literature is a common practice among successful individuals. They stay informed about the latest trends, emerging opportunities, and shifts in the global economy. This habit allows them to anticipate changes, adapt their strategies, and seize opportunities that others may overlook. But it's not just about reading, it's about learning, understanding, and applying. It's about transforming information into actionable knowledge that can be used to generate wealth. The brain is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. And the stronger it gets, the more capable you are of achieving your financial goals. Knowledge is the ultimate investment with guaranteed returns. Habit 4. Visualize financial success. Imagine yourself standing atop the pinnacle of your financial dreams. Picture the view from up there. This is the power of visualization, a potent tool that can help you turn your dreams into reality. It's not magic, but a science. Our brains tend to work towards the images we create in our minds. So how can you harness this power? Start by creating a vision board. A vision board is a collage of images and words that represent your financial goals. It could be an image of a dream house, a luxury car, or a hefty bank balance. The more specific, the better. Place it where you can see it every day, and let it serve as a daily reminder of your financial aspirations. Now, close your eyes and visualize yourself achieving those goals. Feel the success, the joy, the fulfillment. It's not just about seeing, it's about feeling. What the mind can conceive, it can achieve. Habit 5. Develop a strong work ethic. In the pursuit of financial success, the value of hard work cannot be overstated. It's the engine that drives the train of progress, propelling you towards your financial goals. But hard work alone isn't enough. It's about consistency, about showing up every single day, ready to give it your all. Think of it like running a marathon. It's not just about the sprint at the start, but maintaining a steady, enduring pace. That's what a strong work ethic looks like. It's about perseverance, about pushing through even when things get tough. And let's be clear, things will get tough. There will be obstacles and setbacks. But with a solid work ethic, you'll have the resilience to overcome these challenges. You'll have the tenacity to keep going, to keep striving for your goals. Habit 6, exercise and eat healthy. It might seem unrelated, but physical health plays a crucial role in your journey to financial success. Think about it, the most intricate system you'll ever manage isn't a financial portfolio, but your own body. When you exercise and eat healthily, you're investing in your primary asset, yourself. Regular exercise sharpens your mind, boosting creativity, problem-solving skills, and overall cognitive function. It's these qualities that give you the edge in business, helping you make sound decisions, strategize effectively, and stay a step ahead. Eating healthy, on the other hand, keeps your energy levels high and your mind clear. It's hard to focus on your financial goals when you're feeling sluggish or under the weather. So, nourish your body with the right food, and it'll repay you with undying energy and sharp focus. The healthier you are, the better you perform, and the higher your chances of achieving financial success. Habit 7. Reflect on successes and failures. This practice is akin to sharpening your axe before cutting down a tree. The act of reflection allows you to understand your journey better, to see what worked and what didn't. It's an opportunity to learn from your failures, to understand that they are not the end of the world, but stepping stones to success. Each failure is a lesson, a guidepost on your path to greatness. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. They are proof of your progress, reminders of your capability and potential. They fuel your motivation and boost your morale. But remember, don't rest on your laurels. Use your successes as a springboard to achieve even more. Reflection is not about dwelling in the past. It's about understanding your past to steer your future. It's about continuous learning and growth. Remember, every millionaire out there has faced failure and success alike. Reflection is the key to progression. Habit 8. Focus on income-producing activities. Now here's the thing. All activities are not created equal. Some tasks might be enjoyable, but they don't necessarily contribute to your financial growth. It's crucial to identify and prioritize the tasks that do. These are your income-producing activities. Think of it this way. Your day is like a garden. You can either fill it with beautiful, productive plants, or you can let it become overgrown with weeds. The productive plants are your income-producing activities. They are the tasks that directly contribute to your financial growth. The weeds, on the other hand, are the activities that drain your time and energy, but don't bring you any closer to your financial goals. So, how do you identify these golden tasks? Look at the activities that directly generate income. This might be sales calls, marketing campaigns, or strategic partnerships. These are your income-producing activities. Time is money. Spend it wisely. Spend it. Habit 9. Limit social media and entertainment. Time is a precious commodity, and each minute spent scrolling aimlessly through social media or binge-watching the latest series is a minute not spent on wealth-building activities. While it's fun to catch up on the latest trends or unwind with a good movie, it's crucial to understand the impact of these activities on your productivity. Social media, for instance, can be a significant time sink, pulling you away from tasks that could contribute to your financial success. Entertainment, while necessary for relaxation and stress relief, can also become a distraction if not kept in check. The key to financial success lies in the careful allocation of your time and energy. Prioritizing tasks that bring you closer to your financial goals over momentary distractions can make a world of difference. The key takeaway here is balance. It's okay to indulge in social media and entertainment, but not at the expense of your financial progress. Habit 10. End your day with gratitude and reflection. As the sun sets on another day of your journey toward financial success, it's essential to take a moment to appreciate the progress you've made. Gratitude, you see, is a powerful motivator. It reminds us of our achievements and fuels our drive to reach for even greater heights. But gratitude isn't just about recognizing our own accomplishments. It's also about acknowledging the role others have played in our success. Maybe it's a mentor who provided valuable advice, a friend who offered encouragement, or even a rival who spurred us on to do better. Next, spend a few minutes reflecting on the day's events. What worked? What didn't? What can you learn from today to make tomorrow even better? This kind of evening reflection allows you to continually refine your approach and keeps you firmly on the path to success. The journey towards financial success is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires persistence, patience, and most importantly, consistency. The road to wealth is paved with habits. Start paving your way today. Please like and subscribe for more content to help you achieve financial freedom.